Number 14, the immune system works wonderful. We know that the laser is wonderful for stimulating the immune system. There's plenty of studies that verify what we're talking about here. When I think of the immune system, I think of the hypothalamus point here, right? It's actually in the midbrain, or just a little bit above it. Hypothalamus starts the immune system. It then goes to the thymus, the heart, the spleen, and the bone marrow, which could be the long bones. I like using the hip or using the humerus. All right? So when we do this, I'm going to do strictly red, and I'm going to do 75 seconds per area. Now I use this reflex point as the hypothalamus. Some people use it, it's called governing vessel 20, used for different type of things in medicine. For us using this laser point, it's the beginning. So I'm telling the system, okay, let's start to ramp up the immune system. And what do we know the laser does? It helps all systems, all cells to work at a higher rate, so we want to use that as well. So 75 seconds, then I would drop back down here to the thymus, which is right above the breastbone, the sternum here. So the thymus is going to be here. Again, this is the major immune one. So the thymus and the immune are really looking at treating cancer cells. I'm not saying we're treating cancer cells, but we know the immune system is to treat cancer, to treat viruses, to treat bacteria, parasites, infections, everything's going on. So many times we're going to get a great boost doing this. So again, cold, flu, bronchitis, pneumonia, going post-surgery, something like that, it's good to boost the immune system, all right? We're using red, 75 seconds per area. So we're doing the top of the head, hypothalamus. We're doing the sternum just above it, thymus. We're going to come to the heart, right? So now I'm using points. Once I do the heart, lots of times you don't see the heart in a lot of books, but we know the heart is very important in immune as well. Then underneath the left armpit is where we're going to go with the spleen. So I can have you lift the arm, just not just a hair, just drop it down. Thank you. So I want to come right underneath the left armpit, right through here, and we're going to get the spleen. So again, this would be 75 seconds. But for time, we're going to continue to move on. So once we do this spleen, we get that going for 75 seconds, we can come to two different areas. The hip or the long bones, right, for 75 seconds each side. But for demonstrations, I can come into the area of the long bone here, which would be the humerus, which is going to be a better visual for the video. Okay? So hypothalamus, top of the head, thymus, heart, spleen, and bone marrow. I'm going to have you hold that there for you.
Yes, sir.
Did you get that one? Okay. So that would be the area for the immune system. Wonderful tool to hit those points to really boost that immune system up. All right, thank you.